Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix overheating on your iPhone iOS 18. So if your iPhone is overheating while using the iOS 18, there's some simple steps guys you can do to cool it down. So first things first, what you can do, you can close the unused apps by double tapping the home button, or you swipe up from the bottom depending on your iPhone model to view the recent apps. Then what you want to do guys is you want to swipe up on the apps you aren't using to just close them and reduce the load on your device. And of course, what you can also do guys is you can disable the background app refresh. So do this guys, go to settings, and then what you want to do is go to general, and then click on background app refresh. And what you want to do is turn off the background app refresh for apps that don't actually need it. So this can save you processing power and reduce heat. And of course, guys, what you can also do is you can check for the overactive location services. Go to settings, okay, and then click on privacy and security, and then go to location services and just turn off location services for apps that don't need it, or set them to while using. Okay, so only while using. And then what you can also do is guys, you can turn off push notifications for apps in settings. So go to settings, go to notifications, and then just disable notifications for apps that constantly update, like social media apps, which can also strain your phone's resources. And of course, what we can also do is update the iOS. So outdated software can sometimes cause overheating. So go to settings, go to general, click on software update, and make sure your iPhone is running the latest iOS version. And what you can also do guys is, of course, you can turn on low power mode in settings. Go to settings, then click on battery and toggle on low power mode. This can reduce background processes and help with overheating. And of course guys, what you can also do is you can keep your iPhone out of direct sunlight, because if your iPhone is in direct sunlight for extended periods, it could actually overheat. So you want to keep your phone in the shade or a cooler environment to avoid this. So I hope this guide was of help to you, and if it was of value to you, consider smashing that like button guys, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.